Groups on Roblox are a great way to make friends and build a community, and there's actually a way for you to create your own group for other people to join. The process is super easy to do on Roblox, so from the homepage, we'll go ahead and click the three lines and see the menu here, and then we can just select groups. After this, you should see a big button that says Create Group. This is the fun part. You actually get to name what your group is going to be called and set a description for the group. The description can be changed at any possible moment, but the name can only be changed with Robux. And then you can select an image from your computer to have as the group's profile picture. Next, you can set the settings to either anyone can join or manual approval. Manual approval means that in order for someone to join, they have to submit a request. Then you can manually go in and accept or deny the requests as they come in. Then once you've filled out all of the information, all you need to do is pay 100 Robux in order to get your group off the ground. Would you like to create this group for 100 Robux? Yes. It's important to note that for the name of your group, you choose something that no other group has done before. Otherwise, Roblox will not allow you to make the purchase. Perfect, and now we have our very own group. Please note that it'll take a little bit before Roblox will actually process your cover image, so don't worry if your icon looks like this for right now. If we click the three dots here, we can click Configure Group, and that's going to take us to all the controls that we can mess with to make sure that this group is ours. Like I mentioned, you could change the description at any time. All you need to click is Save, and in order to enter a new group name, all you need to pay is 100 Robux. You can also change the ownership of the group, but this is a very big step, and after you've already paid for it and transferred ownership, there's no guarantee that you're going to get that group back. Next, we can look in Settings, and from here we can enable manual approval, and then we can look at the roles. By default, Roblox gives us 3 group roles. One of them is owner, which only one person can have. Another one is admin, and the last one is just a regular member. You can change the name and the description of each of these group roles depending on what your group is. If you want to add another role to this list, all you have to do is click the Create Role button and pay 25 Robux. You may notice the rank number right here. For example, owner is 255, admin is 254, and member is 1. This essentially means the order in which they're going to show up. So if we change member to 2, and then we change admin to 1, that's going to switch their order right there. Then we can go down to the different permissions for the different roles. You can turn off or on any of these settings for any certain role. However, I would highly discourage you from giving the default member role too many permissions because they can be abused really easily. If anybody can join your group and you've enabled a bunch of member permissions for the default role, that means that your group is far more likely to be admin abused. Then we can look at the affiliate section. This basically means that you and another group have allied and will show up on the other's group page in the alliances section. For example, let's go back to our group here. And then as you can see, there's a little section called affiliates. If we had any allies or enemies, they would show up right here. Now we can go back to settings and see that the audit log section basically just notates any of the changes that we've made to the group. If you have someone with admin permissions, it will also show their changes as well. So this is really helpful when someone makes a group change that you're not on board with and you want to see who did it. And the last section is gilded. This is basically a fancy way of posting group shouts and images, and it gives you a lot of freedom when communicating with your group members. Roblox makes it really easy to create a gilded community and to create your account on this external website. And that's essentially how to create a group and deal with all of the settings. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below if this helped you out. Thank you so much for watching.